How to create an account on Zoom Workplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Zoom Workplace. So to do that, first of all, download the app from either your Play Store or your App Store, depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Now, once you've done that, basically open the app. After that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically choose one of the three options provided to you, such as join meetings, sign up, or sign in. Now, if you already have a meeting code, your meeting ID and password, etc., you can simply tap on the option join meeting without creating an account, without logging in. But if you are new to Zoom Workplace, you'll have to basically create an account, and that's exactly what we're here for. So I'll simply tap on the option sign up. After that, enter your birth year, tap on the option continue. After that, it'll provide you multiple different options. You can either use your email address, which is the first option, or you can use your SSO, your Apple account, your Google account, your Facebook account, and even your Microsoft account. So to keep things simple, I'll simply use my Apple account, tap on the option continue. And just keep in mind, the process for the other accounts is similar as well. Whatever you do, simply log into your account, or even if you choose your email address, you'll have to basically enter your email address. Maybe it'll ask you to verify by sending you a code on your email address. It shouldn't be that difficult. So basically, go to your email address and then enter the code. And once you've done all of that, you will be taken to the same exact page where I am right now, where it'll ask you to give access to your calendar app. So simply allow access. If it'll ask you to try the Zoom Workplace Pro, etc., blah blah blah. And once you've done that, as you can see, you've basically created an account on Zoom. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.